today we are going to see how my dad cuts chicken, and this chicken is from Americas and it's all halal. I'll show you how he cuts it. Hey Dad, what are you doing?
I'm going to cut the chicken.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you how we cut the chicken here, okay? See, this is a full chicken. Can you see? This is how we get the chicken here. To cut the chicken, we need a small two tools, Amu. One big one, one small one, like this. First, we need to make it sharp. First, what we should do, we need to remove the skin of the chicken before we cut it. To eat halal chicken, we have to do all this hard work. Look at this.
Go. What are you removing now?
I'm just still removing the skin. Okay, now the skin is removed. So what I'm going to do first thing, after cleaning this, first I'm going to cut into 8 pieces. How to cut into 8 pieces? Very easy. First, let's cut all these unwanted things. Okay, now we are going to cut into 8 pieces. So cut into 8 pieces, cut here first, and then just break it like this. So this is the thighs drumstick. See, 1 piece, 2 piece. Now this is called wings. You know wings? So wings, if you cut like this unwanted one, we can throw that. Removing the skin from the wings is very difficult, Aya.
Why is there still skin on the wings?
Yeah.
I don't see any fur on it. I mean, like, feathers on the wings.
Feathers are not there, only skin is there. Feathers, they removed it when you buy. So now we are going to separate the wings.
Isn't that basically the top of the body?
Yeah, the wings. So 1 wings, 2 wings. So this is the neck and the chest. Now this is called breast. So we are going to cut it. Where we use it for chicken 65. See? How many are there?
1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7 are there, right?
Yeah. There's still more. Now that's a proper drumstick. Wow. 2 drumsticks.
See, this is how they make. First, we make the 8-piece. So breast, two breast, 2 drumstick, 2 thighs, 2 wings. How many? 2, 4.
What about this?
That's the neck and the chest.
So we're not gonna eat that.
We can eat that too. Total 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to make this into small pieces.
How do we do that? Go.
Now what are we going to do, Ayan?
I don't know.
No, we are going to make into small pieces.
Oh, I remember now. Cut it.
We can leave the wings like that. It's already small. Just cut the unwanted fat from it.
Fat?
These white ones, these are fats.
I thought those are something else like cream. Why are those called fat?
This is a thigh. We make 2 pieces of thighs. Okay?
You mean 4? Because if you do it for both.
Yes. So 1. This is 2.
No, that one you're gonna make it 4.
So this is another thigh. We're going to cut this thigh also into 2 pieces. One thigh. So how many are there now?
1, 2, 3, 4 thighs.
See, 1. Now how many pieces? 1,
One,
2,
two.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. So this one. This is the breast. Boneless, where we use it for chicken 65 and everything.
So
Right?
basically you're going to split it in half for chicken 65.
Yeah.
Whoa. Now that's clean. That's so clean. This one is super clean.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a bubble there. 2.
Let's remove this bone, so that we can make it as a boneless. Look at this, Ayan.
Yeah. Oh,
See?
nice.
This is called the boneless. This is the boneless.
Whoa. And there's 3. 1, 3. There's gonna be another 3 over there. This one, we're gonna use this one.
Yeah. Now we'll cut this breast
Like-
into boneless.
Yep.
First we're going to remove the bones like this.
Ooh, that's small.
See, now this is a boneless one. Just remove the unwanted ones like this. Ready?
Still clean. Clean as a whistle.
Look
Wow,
at
that's
this.
so much.
This is how we cut into the chicken 65.
1, 2, 3, 4. And how many more?
If you want smaller pieces, you can cut into smaller pieces.
So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pieces of breast.
So first we made into 9 pieces, then we made into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 pieces.
Whoa, that's so much. Ready, set, go. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye bye.